The Motorola SL300 is a 3-watt, 99-channel digital and analog two-way radio with a display for ease of use. With an IP54 rating, this handheld can withstand splashing water and is dust particle resistant. The active view display is unique in that it is protected from scratches and breaks due to the fact that it is underneath the protective surface of the radio. There are two different types of Motorola SL300 models: UHF with no display, and UHF with active view display. The SL300 is the perfect option for those working in education, property management, hospitality, and events who need a handheld which looks professional and offers durability for daily use. For those utilizing this Motorola radio, it is often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include multi-unit chargers. Having a working charger on hand ensures that your two-way radios are always charged and ready for use. Multi-unit chargers, however, allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios. Rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers, which take up more outlet space, a multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be charged at the same time and accounted for. 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece. For more discreet communications, this 2-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply connect to the radio, lace the wire through your shirt, and clip the earpiece to your collar. Lastly, wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form to the ear canal. This accessory is not only discreet, but it is also comfortable. When properly cleaned, teams can utilize different memory foam ear tips and share these accessories with the others on their team. G-hook earpiece. The G-hook earpiece is a great accessory to have for those harsh work environments. Secured to the ear, the G-hook features an inline push-to-talk with clear audio along with durability. Simple to clean and easy to use, this earpiece can be a great addition to your team's communications. Remote speaker microphones. Speaker microphones are great options for those within industries such as retail, education, and manufacturing, when quick relay of messages is necessary but the team needs to operate hands-free. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. Two-Way Direct offers a cost-effective solution for two-way radio replacement batteries with their Two-Way Direct brand. The TWD B4468 is the model for the SL300 two-way radio. These Two-Way Direct brand batteries not only offer comparable quality and fit, but they tend to possess even longer life. For more information on accessories which work with the Motorola SL300 two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote online, and we will get back with you.